Ega, lasciami in clou.
These are the trampolines over there.
The mama?
There's another one there.
Okay.
And before that, you can see over here. And this is a place where you put your bags and things. And over there, that's a tractor that you go to places. And there's a pool, but it's over the other side somewhere. And the dinner hall somewhere else as well.
The dinner hall's over there. You can't really make it out. It's too bright, but it's over there.
And the pool.
Here's Ronnie.
And the pool's about around there somewhere.
I thought the pool was over there.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
The pool's over there.
The pool's over there.
Yeah, you can't see it because it's down the trees. And that's reception. And this is just where you come in the morning, isn't it? It's not where you spend the day. Hello?
Yeah, it is. You don't spend the day here, it's just in the morning, and when they come to pick you up, you can play in that or play something in the field. Like yesterday they did but I didn't really bother to do it.
Okay, odnasiu się wycielą.
Go then.
Hakfar Hayarok.
Okay. Bye.